Landscapers, pool builders, architects and designers, developers, they all come to us because they want a true partner who will guide them into finding the right material, right stone that will look incredible. So we find they're looking for three main things. Firstly, they need to support in getting the right materials that will fit the purpose for each client. They want to know that when they send their clients to us, there is a physical showroom where they can see the products on a large scale and touch and feel the textures. Second, our partners want to increase profits. Selling premium stone should be an easy win, but without the right support, it's hard to convince clients to invest into higher quality materials. And finally, our partners want a reliable and knowledgeable supplier that ensures they avoid installation issues, costly mistakes, and frustrated clients.
Working with Armstone helps us avoid costly mistakes because we know everything is done right from the get-go. We know there is no second guessing. It's just been dealt with on the best level from the initiation to the completion. There are 2 or 3 other really great stone suppliers in Australia that do very good products themselves, but Armstone stands out to us because they are great to deal with. They really look after us. The delivery is really good, and within a day or within an hour, we can get what we need. I couldn't ask for more than that. They are the experts in stone. Everything is well sourced and looks great, and using all these wonderful products such as wall cladding, pool tiles, pool coping and pavers really does make our work more enjoyable. When we bring a client into the showroom, it's a really warm space. It's inviting, the concrete floors, the natural lighting, and all the beautiful stones and artifacts that bounce out in front of you make you want to engage with Armstone in a great way.
We're more than just a supplier. If someone comes to us and they need that project, the next day we'll throw it back into the team just to make sure we get that job done. It's like adding your own premium natural stone department to your business. You can send your clients to our showroom in Glebe or Penrith so they can see the products in a beautiful setting. And our curated showrooms can be positioned as an extension to your own business. They simply just send their clients into our showroom and we just take it from there. Coming in, working with the different colors, what style that they're working with, what stone they're looking for, making each property unique and making sure that the stone's suitable to use is going to be beneficial. As long as they're happy, they've got the right product in the right setting. I just care about the clients being happy in the long run.
When walking into the showroom each time, you're going to be confident that you're getting a quality product. The layout and the presentation immediately grabs you. Armstone's passion is quite apparent, and they want to know the ins and outs of your project to ensure that you're getting the best possible result. They're very knowledgeable and they make you feel welcome. They've never let me down. The products are always readily available. The turnaround times are super efficient, so that means that there's no delays on our projects. Armstone's products speak for themselves. The quality of their natural stones, the claddings, porcelains, mosaics, through to the sealers, make a massive difference in the end result for your clients' projects. The happy times happen outside, next to the barbecue. That's why I love outdoor projects and being around beautiful natural materials. It makes me happy when I know that I enrich their lives, pretty much, yeah. Really, makes a difference.